How to download apps without payment methods on iPhone or iPad. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to do this step by step. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Now I have my iPhone right here as an example, and if you want to go ahead and download the app without the payment methods, it's really simple. Now first things first, let's go ahead and try out something like this game right here. I'll just go ahead and click on get, and as you can go ahead and see, it will not require me to enter my payment method. Now in order to do this, it's really simple. Now first things first, you want to head over to your system settings right here. Once inside your system settings, you can just head over to your iCloud by clicking on your name right here. Once inside your personal Apple account, you can just go ahead and click on the payment and shipping. Now from here, if you have a payment method or if you have a payment right here saved on the payments and shipping, you want to go ahead and remove all of the payments. And from there, after removing the payments, you can just go ahead and head over to the App Store right here. And with that simple step out of the way, it will not go ahead and require you to enter your payment method anymore. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.